Hey guys, my name is Trilly and welcome to another video from EARTH2. If you want to support me, definitely don't forget to use my code, and yeah, thank you for your support. So EARTH2 yesterday announced a huge thing that we've been all waiting for. They are going to open Dubai. They said very soon, but they didn't mention exact time. Also, all tiles that have been bought before opening by bug will be wiped. So yeah, well, don't buy any Dubai tiles from market. So how they are going to open it? They were talking about two options. Option one is that they will just release it without reporting it, and option two is that there will be countdown. After some time they got into solution that there will be countdown, which seems fair for everyone. Also, they suggest to buy via EARTH2, not through direct credit card, because it will have delays by that large amount of transactions. That's all for this video. If you want to support me, definitely use my code or subscribe and like for future videos. Have a nice day and I'll see you in Dubai.